Mani students. Today we will discuss third method of calculation of goodwill, that is capitalization method. What is capitalization method? In this method, goodwill is calculated by the capitalized value of average profit. What does it mean? For example, when we calculate normal profit, then we have capital employed into rate by 100. Now we have to calculate capital employed. So according to mathematics, normal profit into 100 by rate. In this way we can calculate capital employed. So capitalization method, in capitalization method, how can we calculate goodwill? Profit into 100 by rate, because we have to calculate capitalized value. So there are two methods. First, capitalization of average profit. So second is capitalization of super profit. There are only 4 or 5 steps in each method. In case of capitalization of average profit, the first step is calculate average profit after all adjustments. All adjustments we have already discussed. Abnormal loss should be added, abnormal gain should be deducted, depreciation according to situation may be added or deducted, or if there is any remuneration to directors or managers, then it should also be deducted. Then second step, we have, because it is capitalization method, so we have to calculate capitalized value of average profit. Means average profit multiply 100 divide by rate. Third step is calculate capital employed. It is also called average capital employed. If it is given in question, then well and good. If it is not given in question, then there can be two situations. Assets and liabilities are given. Liabilities are also called creditors. So how can we calculate capital employed? Assets minus liabilities or assets minus creditors. If assets and liabilities are not given in question, then we have capital of partners account plus reserves of partner. So if we have capital account, then we will took it. If we have current account balances, then we will also add it. If it is given, then add, otherwise no need. Plus reserve. We can also calculate capital employed with this method also. It depends on situation what is given in question. So last step is goodwill, that is step 2 minus step 3. It means capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed. So we will calculate goodwill. I am giving you an example. For example, we have average profit after all adjustment is 72,000 and normal rate is 10%. Assets given 9,70,000 and liabilities given 4 lakh. How we will calculate goodwill according to capitalization method? Average profit given, step 1 72. Step 2 capitalized value of average profit means 72 multiply 100 by rate, that is 7,20,000. Third one is capital employed. Assets and liabilities are given, means assets minus liabilities, 970 minus 4 lakh, 5,70,000. And the last step, goodwill is equal to capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed. So 1,50,000 is the amount of goodwill. Now we have second part of this method, that is capitalization of super profit. How it will be calculated? Again we have 5 steps. Step 1, as we previously discussed super profit, so basic steps are same, only the last step is change. Step 1, we have to calculate average profit after all adjustment. Keep it in mind that previously remuneration was not given in question. Now remuneration can also be given, so it should be deducted. Next, step 2, capital employed. As I told you, we can calculate it by asset minus liability or capital plus reserve. Current account is given in very rare situation. If it is given, then we should add it. Step 3, normal profit is equal to capital employed multiply rate by 100. As we know, in super profit we have to calculate normal profit. And step 4, super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. And last step, goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 by rate, because it is capitalization method. So we have to calculate capitalized value of super profit, that is equal to super profit into 100 by rate. Keep it in mind, as in super profit we have already deducted average minus normal. So again there is no need of any deduction. But in average profit, we have to deduct capitalized value of average profit minus average capital employed. So, if we calculate goodwill according to any one method, the answer will be same. Again, we have same example. Now, we will calculate goodwill according to super profit method. Average profit is equal to 72,000, capitalization of super profit method. Capital employed is equal to asset minus liability, 970 minus 4 lakh 570. Normal profit is equal to 570 multiplied 10 by 100, that is 57. Super profit is equal to 72 minus 57, 15,000. And the last one, goodwill, is equal to super profit into 100 by rate. Again it is 15,000 multiply 100 by 10, 1,50,000. As you can see, in capitalization of average profit 1,50,000, as in capitalization of super profit it's again 150. So answer should be same. In this way you can verify your question. Thank you.